Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hot sauce company. First, you'll want to craft a solid business plan, detailing your vision, target market, and financial projections. Next, establish your legal entity, perhaps an LLC, to protect your personal assets. Then, focus on perfecting your signature hot sauce recipes, aiming for consistent flavor and heat levels. Finally, secure initial funding, which could be personal savings or a small business loan, to kickstart your venture. Now, let's talk about crafting your signature sauce. Sourcing high-quality ingredients is paramount for a superior product. You'll need to decide whether to produce in your own certified kitchen or partner with a co-packer for larger volumes, which can save you significant time and effort. Implementing strict food safety protocols, like HACCP, is non-negotiable to ensure consumer safety. Also, obtain all necessary food safety certifications and permits before you begin manufacturing. With your sauce ready, it's time for branding and marketing. Develop a memorable brand name and a distinctive logo that truly represents your product's personality. Your packaging should be compelling, telling your brand's unique story at a glance. Identify your target audience, whether they prefer mild or extra hot, to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. Finally, leverage social media and online platforms to build strong brand awareness and connect with potential customers. Finally, let's discuss sales and growth. Establish diverse sales channels, from your own online store to local farmers markets and specialty food shops. Set competitive pricing that accurately reflects your production costs and perceived market value. Building strong relationships with distributors and retailers is key to expanding your reach beyond your immediate area. Always gather customer feedback to continuously refine your products and adapt your business strategy for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.